Liverpool ensured there would be no fairy tale return for Rafa Benitez with a 2-0 win over Newcastle United at Anfield.Mohamed Salah, who else, scored the opening goal, his 32nd of the season, following an impressive run from Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. The 26-year-old has now found the back of the net more times than Luis Suarez did in his best ever season at Anfield, doing his chances of claiming the Premier League Player of the Year award no harm. And it was 2-0 shortly after the restart, with Sadio Mane continuing his fine run of form. The Senegalese has now scored 5 goals in his past 3 matches, and it's been great to see following a noticeable rise in confidence earlier in the campaign. Mane finished off a fine team move in the 55th minute to double the lead. The goal was classy and Liverpool fans love what Mane did afterwards, too. Mane has a reputation for copying his teammates' celebrations, and he did so once again, choosing to do Roberto Firmino's celebration. Are you ever going to come up with your own celebration, Sadio? Mane, just like the rest of his teammates, is flourishing right now, and he explained just what's making Liverpool tick at the moment in an interview with BT Sport before the match. "Honestly, I'm enjoying it all the time," he said. "Playing with these great players in the squad, the confidence is back. The team spirit is fantastic. I think we're going to keep going. Like I always said, they make it easier, like it was we always score. It's a fun time to be a Liverpool fan right now."